Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Andobil 2023 newest bike phone holder here. It's a mount for your smartphone with anti-theft handlebar clamp. This is really cool idea. It's of course not only for a bicycle, it's for a motorcycle phone mount too, or a bicycle handlebar holder for all kinds of smartphones out there. For example, iPhone 14, 12, 13 Pro Max and all 4.7 inches up to 6.8 inches big cell phones with a thick case, for example. You can get it here in the black version, as you can see. This is the newest anti-theft design on this Andobil bike phone holder systems. It's really cool. We can leave with peace of mind without removing the mount. We never again worry about our bike phone mount being stolen. The newest design here by Andobil bike phone holder has an anti-theft function. The unique petal nut on the handlebar clamp can only be rotated with a special key, ensuring that our bicycle phone mount is not stolen anymore. And military grade protection. That's good every time, isn't it? The Andobil Bike Phone Mount 3.0 is the first on the market to feature a four-arm shockproof silicone pad design that not only reduces vibrations, but also protect the phone from scratches and raps. The mount holds the phone firmly in all directions to ensure our cell phone remains into even if the bike falls in accidentally. And the bike phone holder has received the US military grade certification, number GZMR 220100266 Everyone knows, isn't it? Indicating that it is extremely durable and dependable. And installing in only 5 seconds is possible. Without the use of any tool, the installation is really simple and quick. The innovative clamp is easy to attach and detach too from the handlebars. We attach it to the handlebar and tighten the nut, which is as simple as unscrewing a bottle cap. And the clamp size is adjustable. This making it suitable for handlebars with diameters ranging from 0.59 inches to 2.17 inches. These are 50 millimeter up to 55. For bicycles, motorcycles, dirt bikes, scooters, ATVs, e-bikes too, treadmills, spin bikes, and even strollers are examples. Find a tube and you can attach it there easily. And then we have one hand operation. With a single push to insert our phone, the upper and lower arm will retract and clamp. Simply tap on the one touch release button on the back to release the left and the right arms. This allows the phone to be easily removed in only 1 second. When riding, it is convenient to remove the phone at any time to take photos or videos to share with friends without missing any beautiful scenery. And the ball joint onto the bicycle phone holder allows us to freely adjust the angle while riding. Because of the 360-degree swivel head, our phone can be oriented horizontally, vertically, or at any angle in between. The ball head design makes it really simple to answer calls, play music, and use, of course, the GPS positioning while riding, as well as ensure us to have the ideal riding perspective to enjoy more relaxed time on our vacation, for example. No matter how thick the phone is, it is tightly clamped. This motorcycle phone mount here is suitable for all 4 up to 7 inches phone and thicker case combinations, such as the iPhone 14, 14 Pro Max, 13, 13 Pro Max, 12, 12 Pro Max, 11, XS, SE, 8, 7 Plus, and so on. Of course, not only Apple devices can match there. Samsung Galaxy devices, S22, S21, S20, Note 20, Note 10, and so on. All wall cases, thick cases, OtterBox cases, MagSafe cases, and so on. This is all compatible because it is a mechanical clamp function. This works on nearly every case and on nearly every smartphone out there. And it holds it really tight. Yeah. Because Andobil here, focus phone bracket field, provide excellent products to let us enjoy the fun of cycling. And that's right. Because they are I had a lot of Andobil stuff so far, and every time it was a really good product. And here, this is really, really good because it's an upgraded version. We have the ultimate security and the military-grade sturdy. The unique 4 arms design makes it possible with a high-quality corrugated silicone clamp. The arms on the top, bottom, left, and right sides. Because we have on the upper side and the bottom side, we have a clamp system which goes by sliding the smartphone to it, and the clamps right and left are static. That means you can lock them there. And these are 2 possibilities of securing. You should use every time 2 of them, of course, but you have 2 redundant systems that will help your smartphone stay on position on this really cool looking Andobil bike phone holder system. This is an anti-theft handlebar clamp. Not only for of course it's for smartphones, not only for bicycles, it's also for motorcycles and so on too. All 4.7 up to 6.8 inches big cell phones with the cases are matches here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. So soon.